You can select the image with the pen tool or just go to the Quick Selection tool. Click on the Select Subject. Photoshop will automatically select the image. Now click on this Layer Mask icon. Now your image is separated from the background. To invert the mask, press Ctrl-I, or you can go to Image Adjustment and click on Invert. Now your image is inverted again. Another way is, first delete the mask. Again, go to the Quick Selection tool. Click on the Select Subject. Photoshop will automatically select the subject again. Now this time, press Alt and click on the Layer Mask icon. Now your layer mask is inverted. Just click of a button, without any extra step. I hope you liked the tutorial. You can watch our other tutorials on how to increase brush size. The video link is in the description. Thanks for watching.